Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a right triangle in Google Docs. Open your Docs file, now select this insert option and here you will find this drawing option, select new and select this shape option and select shape. Here you will find this right triangle option and draw a right triangle. Now select triangle border white and border color. Also you can say background color red. Also you can choose gradient color here. This is and select right button and select rotate option. Here you can fill it vertically, rotate and fill it horizontally. A triangle already created, left triangle. I'll choose right triangle. Now simply select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.